Every NRI dreams of creating wealth in India while earning abroad. But the big question is, where should NRI invest and how much? In this video, let's understand the right asset allocation, the purpose of NRI investments, and how rupee depreciation or appreciation can completely change your returns. The Indian economy is the fastest growing economy in the world. With higher interest rates compared to developed economies, a booming consumer market, and a young working population with changing lifestyles, local consumption is said to be one of the greatest growth drivers. The Indian currency is stable, and with chances of it becoming stronger in the coming days, NRIs stand to benefit from rupee appreciation. So, why are NRI investing in India? NRI are investing in India because products here are still giving great returns. They understand Indian financial products better. NRI earn well, spend well, and also save a decent amount every month. Many have plans to eventually return to India. They are aware that global returns are coming down. They believe in capital protection plans. They trust LIC. And importantly, NRI know that even large financial institutions abroad have crashed. What are the investment options for NRI? The first and most obvious question in every NRI's mind: what are my investment options? As an NRI, you can invest in almost everything in India, though not in all products. From LIC policies to mutual fund, SIP to property and more, multiple avenues are available. The safest way for an NRI to invest is by following the 33-33-33 rule. 33% in LIC policies for safety and guaranteed returns. 33% in SIP for market-based growth. 33% in property for long-term wealth. This strategy ensures security, steady growth, and wealth creation, all in one plan. Purpose of NRI investments. The purpose of NRI investment is simple: retirement planning to live stress-free in India. Better, often tax-free returns. Strong financial assets that support your family and future goals. Can NRI repatriate money from India? Yes, NRI can repatriate money subject to certain rules. Any money invested from your NRE or FCNR account can be fully repatriated. Money in the NRO account can be partially repatriated, but only after paying all taxes and obtaining a chartered accountant's certificate. How are NRI taxed? Any income earned in India is taxable in India. The good news: a lot of the tax benefits and deductions available to residents are also available to NRI. However, NRI must file a tax return in India to avail these benefits. Income earned in India is taxed both in India and in the country of residence. But thanks to DTAA, double taxation avoidance agreements, NRI can avoid paying double tax. If DTAA exists between India and your country of residence, you can get an equivalent deduction. Rupee appreciation versus depreciation. The Indian rupee is getting stronger against foreign currencies. When the rupee gets stronger, it means appreciation. When the rupee weakens, it means depreciation. And currency fluctuations directly affect IRR, the internal rate of return for NRI. Rupee depreciation example. Let's take an example. LIC's Jeevan Labh, term 25/16. Suppose you're paying 1 lakh rupees every year from your NRI account. IRR is calculated in US dollars. For the first 5 years, at 77 rupees per dollar, your premium is $1,299. From the 6th to 10th year, rupee depreciates by 5% at 80.85 rupees. Premium $1,237. From the 11th to 15th year, at 85.05 rupees, the premium $1,176. From the 16th to 20th year, at 89.25 rupees, premium $1,120. From the 21st to 25th year, at 93.45 rupees. Premium $1,070. After 25 years, depreciation stops. Notice how the dollar amount reduces, meaning your IRR increases. That's the hidden advantage of rupee depreciation for NRI. Rupee appreciation example. Now let's see the opposite. Rupee appreciation by 5% every 5 years. First 5 years at 77 rupees per dollar. Premium $1,299. 6th to 10th year at 73.15 rupees. Premium $1,367. 11th to 15th year at 69.35 rupees. Premium $1,441. 16th to 20th year at 65.55 rupees. Premium $1,526. 21st to 25th year at 62.70 rupees. Premium $1,595. Final advice. So what's the conclusion? NRI should definitely invest in India with safety from LIC, growth from SIP and wealth from property. Rupee depreciation gives you an extra edge. You pay less in dollars and get higher IRR. Start early to build strong financial assets for your family and retirement. How NewRay Services helps NRI. At NewRay Services, we don't just offer investments, we build financial journeys for NRI like you. We also guide you on tax benefits, currency impact, and financial planning, so your money works smarter while you focus on your career abroad. Contact NewRay Services today and let us help you secure your future, build strong assets, and achieve financial freedom in India. NewRay Services, turning today's plans into tomorrow's success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your NRI friends and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.